Yawning is curious. You see someone yawn and suddenly you feel the urge to. This happens because the brain is highly responsive to social cues. When it notices a yawn, regions linked to imitation and social awareness become active. That is why yawning spreads more easily between friends, family, and people we feel connected to. Yawning is not only about tiredness, it may help regulate alertness and brain temperature. So, when yawns travel from one person to another, it is the brain quietly mirroring what it sees.